Creating user onboarding videos used to take my friend's SaaS team 3 weeks and $4,000 per video. They had 300 new signups every month, and 70% of them were churning in week 1 because nobody showed them what to do. They tried everything: email drips, in-app tooltips, live kickoff calls. Nothing moved the needle. Then they started using AI to create customer onboarding videos and sending them in the welcome email the moment someone signed up. Day 7 retention went from 30% to 61% in 6 weeks. Same product, same traffic, 0 extra headcount. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional AI user onboarding video using Ngram in under 5 minutes for free. Go to ngram.com, click Solutions in the top navigation, and find Customer Onboarding Video. On this page, Ngram gives you a pre-built prompt right at the top. You don't start from scratch. The prompt reads, "Create a customer onboarding video for product name." Walk new user segment through setup step and first workflow, so they reach first value milestone in their first session. 4 blanks, that's it. I'm filling it in for Ngram like this. Create a customer onboarding video for Ngram. Walk new SaaS founders and marketers through describing their first video in the Agentic mode box and importing their brand kit from their website URL, so they reach their first published video in their first session. And just like that, it takes you straight into Ngram's Agentic mode with your prompt already loaded. No templates to browse, no extra navigation, just your filled prompt ready to generate. Choose your mode. YOLO generates everything instantly. Pro lets you review the script and storyboard before anything renders. Click Next, select the animation mode and art direction from the options provided by Ngram, then continue. Add your product URL so Ngram can fetch the assets. Your logo, colors, and fonts applied automatically to every onboarding video. Watch Ngram write your complete onboarding script. No problem statement, no selling, just step-by-step guidance straight to first value. Hit Generate. Watch Ngram create the storyboard. Every step gets its own scene with smart zooms, step labels, and captions. A clean, professional, step-by-step onboarding video in minutes. Review the generated video and make changes if needed. You can export in all 3 formats simultaneously. 16:9 for your YouTube, 9:16 for Twitter, 1:1 for LinkedIn. Click download. Your new users get the same polished onboarding experience every single time, whether it's their first sign up or their 10,000th. Every new user who signs up for your product deserves a great first experience. Don't let them get lost, get confused, and quietly disappear in week 1. Go to ngram.com, click Solutions, find Customer Onboarding Video, fill in the 4 blanks, and you'll have a polished onboarding video ready for your welcome email. Sign up for free. Link is in the description below. Hit subscribe for more AI tools that help SaaS teams grow faster and retain longer. Your best onboarding experience starts with 1 video. See you in the next one.